So why did you decide to have a skid steer trimmer built?
We needed a piece of equipment that was able to cut fine grade our sites, the earthwork, and the granular subbase. Wanted something that was portable, we could use with our existing machine control technology. We also wanted something that could cut through some of our clay soils that we have in our area that tend to get extremely hard when they are dry. Several of the specifications that we see now require us to be within half a tenth of vertical tolerance on our parking lot grading for the subgrade, and then also for the granular subbase material. A lot of the sites are relatively small and don't lend themselves to having a large highway paving trimmer come in and trim it down to those tolerances. So we were looking for something that was more compact, also had automatic machine control capabilities, and would work with our existing skid loaders. We started using the trimmer May of 2016. It's been on approximately 6 projects. Last year we've used the trimmer on different types of projects, a couple of small city street projects, some parking lot jobs, building pads, and also a short section of county road that was getting paved. We were able to utilize the trimmer with both our robotic total station and our GPS. Yes, without a trimmer we're definitely cutting down deeper than we need to, providing more than what's required for rock, which results in more cost for